In this video, I'm going to show you how to create viral children's story videos in under 10 minutes using only free AI tools. I'll walk you through each step and show you the final result so you can see exactly how it's done. You probably already know that kids' story videos are incredibly popular, often racking up millions of views and generating significant income. Today, I'll teach you a unique approach to making these videos, something that hasn't been widely shared yet. Plus, there's a special surprise that will help you speed up your work by 100 times. So make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. To make a children's story video, you'll need 3 key components: a story, animated images, high-quality voiceovers. Once we have these, we'll put everything together with some simple video editing. Step 1. Generate a story with ChatGPT. First, let's create the story. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a short moral story about a lion and a boy for a YouTube video. ChatGPT will generate a story almost instantly. Copy the text and save it. Now, if you're planning to make multiple videos, ask ChatGPT for additional story ideas. Just type, "Can you give me some more video ideas like this?" And it'll generate a list of story concepts you can explore later. Step 2. Create images for each scene. To bring the story to life, we'll need visuals for each scene. I'll show you 3 methods for creating high-quality animated style images. Method 1. Using Midjourney and Leonardo AI. Midjourney is an excellent tool for generating ultra-high-quality images, but it's not free. If you're able to subscribe, it's well worth the investment, not just for this project, but for other creative tasks as well. If you're looking for a free option, Leonardo AI is a solid alternative. To get started, go to app.leonardo.ai and navigate to the image generation section. Choose a 3D animation style for your images. For each scene, you'll need a specific prompt, which you can generate with ChatGPT. Type, "Give me a Midjourney prompt for each scene," and ChatGPT will provide suggestions. If you want to save time, you can also use my curated set of 600 story prompts, 300 for ChatGPT and 300 for Midjourney. These prompts are specifically designed to create engaging children's stories and animations quickly. I've included a link in the description if you're interested. Method 2. Using Runway ML for text-to-video or image-to-video. Runway ML allows you to convert text or images into short video clips. Go to app.runwayml.com and select the text-to-video or image-to-video option. You can add camera motion effects like pan, roll, or zoom to make the scenes more dynamic. Try experimenting with different motions for each video to keep things visually engaging. To convert an image into a video, simply upload your image and add video motion. Remember, the higher the quality of the image, the better your video result will be. Method 3. Using PABS on Discord. If you're comfortable with Discord, PABS is another option for quickly turning images into video clips. Join their Discord server, upload an image, and add prompts for your video settings. Within seconds, PABS will generate a short video that you can download and use. Step 3. Add voiceover. A great voiceover is essential for engaging storytelling. If you're comfortable recording your own voice, go for it. If not, you can use 11 Labs for AI-generated voiceovers. Go to 11 Labs, explore their voice library, and find a voice that fits your story's tone. I found a voice that sounds warm and deep. Perfect for storytelling. Copy your story from ChatGPT, paste it into 11 Labs, and hit Generate. Your voiceover will be ready in seconds and can be downloaded directly. Step 4. Edit your video. Now that we have our story, images, videos, and voiceover, it's time to put everything together. For video editing, you can use CapCut, a great mobile option, or software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut if you're on a computer. Import all your media files into your editing software. Sync the voiceover with the images and videos. Add the correct visuals to match each line of narration. Animate static images. If you're using still images, add animations like pan or zoom effects to keep the video dynamic. In CapCut, you can find these options under Combo and select Pan Left or similar effects for smooth transitions. Remove watermarks. If there are watermarks on any generated images or videos, you can remove them by scaling the image slightly or by using a watermark removal website. I've linked one in the description that's easy to use. Step 5. Add background music and sound effects. Background music and sound effects make a huge difference in maintaining viewers' interest, especially for children's content. If you're unsure what type of music to use, ask ChatGPT for suggestions based on the theme of your story. For example, you might add jungle sounds, lion roars, or birds chirping for an immersive effect. Add the background music to your timeline, adjusting the volume to keep it subtle enough that it doesn't overpower the narration. You can also add specific sound effects to highlight key moments. Step 6. Add captions. Adding captions can make your video more accessible and engaging, especially for young viewers. In CapCut, go to the Text section and select Auto Captions to automatically generate text for your video. You may need to make minor adjustments to ensure everything lines up perfectly. Final touches and export apply filters. Adding a filter can enhance the color and vibrancy of your video, making it more visually appealing. Fine-tune the timing. Adjust the duration of each clip to ensure the visuals sync well with the narration. Export the video. Once everything looks good, export your video in high quality. Let's watch a preview of the final video.
Once upon a time, in the heart of a vast jungle, lived a mighty lion named Leo. He was known for his strength and courage, yet he felt a deep sense of loneliness. One day, as Leo roamed the jungle, he stumbled upon a young boy named Sam.
And there you have it. A complete, professional quality children's story video created using free AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which tool or tip you found most useful. Don't forget to check out my other videos where I show you more ways to create viral, money-making content quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.